Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So, today I am going to be showing you how to make a combination lock for Minecraft PE, Minecraft PC with command blocks and redstone. So, this is just a new channel that I'm working on. It's kind of a work in progress, but just so you know, I'm not inexperienced in Minecraft, so I just want to show you guys how to make a combination lock, I guess. So remember to slap that like button, click the subscribe, and slap the bell so you never miss another video. Yeah, okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna create another world, a new world. Yeah, I'm gonna make it creative. So I'm not gonna use any seeds, show coordinates. I'm gonna activate cheats, always day. Yeah, I'm gonna have, well, I don't really need that. So, and weather cycle's gonna be off. And I'll just create it, I guess. Well, okay. Yeah, so but let's just wait for it to load for a little bit. It might take a little bit of time for it to load, but just so you know, I'm really excited to show you guys how to do this because it took me a while of experimenting to figure this out. It's decently simple. I recently I think I could convert it to just redstone. So if you guys wanted to do it in survival, I think I might have a way of doing that. But I'm gonna need if you guys can, well, smash the like button well enough for my first video, then yeah, I'll release a second one with just redstone. Okay, so
press open chat to open chat.
Let's just get going. Ugh, I didn't set it to flat. I'm an idiot. Let's just get going. Okay, so this is a flat enough area. We just need building blocks. I'm gonna use stone bricks. We also need redstone dust. We need block of redstone, wherever that is. Block of redstone, sticky piston, and I'm just gonna go /give. What's it doing? Okay, okay. Even though you guys can't see it, it's /give at self command block, and just press return, and then there we go. You have a command block. And so we're just going to do, oh yeah, I forgot, we need some levers as well. We just need to make a solid wall for our building thing. So, well, this wall is just going to be, just make it a decent amount. I'm not going to use that many levers because I don't want to overload the thing. But I'm just going to make it a decent amount. You can, this is actually quite simple if you think about it. It's really just a wall with levers and stick pistons. So here we go. One lever here. I like putting them one space apart because that just looks nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 levers. And then back from those levers, we want to have sticky pistons coming out from each of those levers. Okay. Yeah, redstone blocks on each of those sticky pistons. And we're going to have a command block on top of each one of those sticky pistons. It doesn't matter what order the arrow is pointing, it's still going to activate it either way. So now what I like to do is I just like to put another command block there, delete that block of redstone. So when the piston activates, it'll activate that command block. And then another block of redstone, so block of redstone, command block, redstone, block of redstone, command block, and then I delete the redstone, block of redstone, command block, and you see how it goes, okay? Okay, so the other thing we're going to do, we need to create a circuit. So I'm just going to use our building materials. Just make how many... Okay, so I'm going to have a redstone block at the end of this. And then we're going to have blocks coming out. So we have five levers. So 5. Okay. And then after that, I'm just going to put a command block for the main setup. And then, okay, so here we go. We check, and we see that the sticky pistons are indeed activating. So what we start to do is that we are going to have these command blocks set the blocks from negative 192, 64, 63, negative 11. Yeah, okay. So it's going to be a negative 192, 63, negative 11 to, okay, I'm just going to build this small, okay. From negative 192, 63, and negative 11 to negative 15. So it's negative 11 to negative 15. And that's going to be 5 blocks of redstone, but if we're going to make a combination lock, we need some of them to be different. Okay, so what we're going to do is that I have terrible memory. It's honestly hard for me to remember the coordinates. So it's 192, 63, negative 11. 192, 63, negative 11. Okay. So that one's going to be slash set block. Negative 11. Red air, actually. This one's going to be air. Okay?
Command.
And then the closer one is going to be slash set block 190, 92, 63, negative 11, redstone, wire. Okay, so we just have that working. So let's see. When we flick it, so what we're gonna have is that we're gonna have a pre-completed circuit. So this one, it's going to be already activated. So when we flick it,
Block placed.
Block placed. So you can see that is now air. When you flick it again,
Block placed.
And that is basically the whole idea. It's just creating that current using the command blocks. But we're going to need a little bit more logic than that. So what I'm going to have to do, what I'm doing, is that I'm going to have the second and the third redstone missing. So it's just going to go like this. Done and done. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the second and the fourth, I mean. And so when the ideal would be when they flick these two, it's going to give them it's going to open whatever we want the combination lock to do. Maybe fill blocks in the wall with air, something like that. Okay. And I am just going to go and deactivate the rest of the levers, and I'm going to, so what was it again? 192, 63, negative 12 is our next one. Okay, so for this one, we're going to have slash set block 192, 63, negative 12, redstone, wire. Since we want this one to be the one that when the lever is flicked, it activates that command block, so the circuit will be partially completed. But what this little bit of logic does is if they have the lever in the wrong place, it makes it so that the circuit, that part of the circuit, will be empty again. Okay. 12, okay, and then we set it air. And we got that. And then the other one is /set block 190 to 63 negative 13 air. And then we have the other one /set block 190 to 63 negative what was it, 13. Okay, and then that's going to be redstone wire. Okay,
Command.
we have that ready. Okay, so this one's going to be, since this is one is going to be one where when they flick it, it's going to, complete the redstone circuit. It's going to be /set block, 190 to 63 negative 13. Okay, and it's going to be redstone wire. We got that?
Command.
Okay. And now that's going to be the same thing. /set block 190 to 63 negative 14 air. And I'm just going to check that I did that right. No, it's negative 13. Okay, that needs to be negative 14. Redstone wire. Okay, that's done.
Command.
We move on to the next one, and then /set block 192 63 negative 15 air.
Command.
And then /set block 192 to 63 negative 15 redstone wire. Okay.
Command.
So we want the command here to do something, right? So let's just make another wall here. Let's make another one here. Okay. And then let's leave a little opening right in the middle. Okay. I'm just gonna block that off since I want to get the coordinates right. So, and then 196, 63, negative 16.
Command.
196, 63, negative 16. Okay, you got that working. And then 193, and I mean 196, 63, negative, no, it's 64, negative 16. And then we're just going to fill that air. And so when that chain activates, it should activate that command block. Let's see if our logic worked. So middle.
Block placed.
And then.
Block placed.
And. Wait, I'm stupid. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to reset
Block placed. Block placed. Block placed.
And
block
as we
placed.
See, our entrance
2 blocks filled.
Opened right before our eyes as the command worked. Let's
see.
So
block placed.
I want to check something out.
Block placed.
If we just close this up again, I mean, you know that command input that you see up there in that top like left corner? You can do special commands to remove that. Maybe I'll teach you how to do that later.